Hello and welcome to Nailchemy. My name is Lisa Graves and today I'm going to be showing you basic cuticle work. So for this you're going to need cuticle pusher of your choice and some cuticle nippers, and if you are e-file trained you will need your e-file with a selection of e-file bits. So first thing that we're going to do is just gently push back these cuticles. Some people prefer to use a cuticle softener. That is completely up to you. I've always done a dry manicure. So we're just going to gently push this back and give the nail plate a bit of a scrape. Get all that dead tissue off. Repeating the process on all 10 fingers. Okay, and then using the other end of your cuticle tool, we can use that to scrape around the cuticle and get all of this dead tissue out. Be extra thorough down your side walls. There's little bits of dead skin really like to hide. But I am coming in with my e-file as well, so I'm not overly bothered if I do miss little bits, because I know I'll get that with my e-file. But if you're not e-file trained and you are just using your hand tool, make sure you are really thorough at this point.
It's quite entertaining just watching it, to be honest. I mean, I know it's right in front of me
I was
anyway.
So you do realise it's right here,
but
yeah?
I can like see
with your eyes,
a different angle.
You've got a bird's eye view experience.
Yeah, exactly.
Excellent. Right, so with my e-file there are two different bits that I like to use. The first one is this kind of pointy shaped one. Don't know the technical name for it. Just call it the pointy bit. And I'm going to use this just around the top of the nail, just to exfoliate off any of that dead skin. Oh, I've missed this so much.
It feels so weird, you know, because it's been that long.
Not for long. It's like riding a bike. Never forget. So give these a dust off. And then whether you choose to use nippers or not is completely up to you. I do love a good nip. I'm all for a good nip. Excellent. And then once I've done that, I'm going to come over once more with my e-file. Using a cuticle burr bit. Again, just nice and gently around the cuticle. This will give you one final push back and just exfoliate off any of that final remaining tissue. Okay, and then using your 180 grit nail file, I'm going to very carefully come around the cuticle area. Using the curved side, it tends to fit in the cuticle area much nicer. Make sure you're getting right in there. All the way down the sides as well. And then holding your file like this for the rest of the nail, I'm going to come up and down, just etching that nail plate. I don't want any shiny patches, so keep dusting off and checking. And we'll do that on all 10 nails. Okay, so final dust off, make sure you're removing all that dust, and then you are ready to move on to your next step depending on which nail enhancement you are offering. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to like the video and drop us a little comment, and more importantly don't forget to click subscribe so that you get a notification ready for when the next video drops. Thanks for tuning in guys, and thank you for being an alchemist.